Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. Conditions out here are absolutely unbelievable. Okay, we got the audio back. Did we get any of that at all? Should we do it again? Okay, we got to do it again. We had a problem.
Why don't you walk into the frame again?
All right. Okay. Ready?
Okay,
Okay, sir. How long have you had your car here?
Since 7:30 Monday night.
And did you have to wait in your car at all?
We waited till about 5 o'clock in the morning.
When they come by to pick you up?
About 5 o'clock, they came in buses on the going south on the northbound lane.
Where'd they take you?
St. Bart's Church in Needham, Great Plain Avenue.
It must have been pretty frustrating waiting out here.
Huh?
Must have been pretty frustrating waiting out here. Did you know what was going on?
Yeah, I had a CB in the car, and listen to that.
Where are you from?
I live in Rockland, Mass.
Have you been home?
No.
Have you been in touch with your family?
Yes, I called at about 11 o'clock at night, Monday night. I called the Needham base, and I got a hold of a CB here, and they called home and called me back and confirmed they got the message.
Where have you been staying?
All over.
When do you hope to get your car out of here? Any idea?
Yeah, they'll be out of here either sometime late tonight or else tomorrow morning.
Well, good luck.
Thank you very much.
Oh, I didn't get your name. I want you
It's,
to give me on tape.
It's John Tarbox, Tarbox.
Thanks,
You want
John.
a card?
Card? Yeah, you got one. Let's see if we can go back and get that army guy and head out.
I'll get out the other side.
All right. It's on Channel 2 tonight at 10.
You have to gotta get out of the way.
Sir, could you just trying to get some pictures of
That's
you?
got the company name if you want.
Oh,
on it.
fantastic.
Sales on the road, quality copies and Avon.
Has this ever happened to you before?
Fortunately, I had a CB in the car, and
You were lucky to have that.
right here, he's a full-time, he's in the Army full-time,
Right.
Fort Devils.
I see.
So we shot the breeze. And basically what they try to do is get the people to group up in the cars, like order a car.
Yeah.
They told you run your car 10 minutes an hour.
Yeah.
Don't run out of gas. Don't panic. You go to sleep.
Gonna start?
Oh yeah, it starts up. Yeah.
Where are they from?
Hey, good old Sharon.
See you later.
Let's go.
John, where are you from?
I live in Rockland.
Rockland?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.